Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you request a payment on your Wise mobile app. So open your Wise mobile app. So once I've opened it and logged in, what you have to do is click on the manage option here on your bottom right. So under manage you will see an option called requested payments. So click on it, and here when you get to the requested payments, on your top right you'll see an option called new. So click on it to initiate a new request. So here enter the amount for the payment request. So just enter any amount, and you can add a note here to the recipient. So if you have anything to mention about this payment request, you can mention that here, and once you're done, click on continue. So now that's it. So now a link has been generated. So all you have to do now is share this link with whoever you want to via any medium, like through WhatsApp or through any social media platform or email or whatever that suits you. And all they have to do is the recipient just needs to click on the link and make the payment, and that's how it is. So it's pretty straightforward, and I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.